AAMG. Your choice, your health, our mission.
Hi, I'm Wesley Kong, a medical student at Touro University. Today I will show you how to use a Trulicity pen. Trulicity is a weekly injectable medication that may be prescribed by your physician to lower A1C levels in conjunction with exercise and diet. It is not insulin and it is used only once a week. Find a spot on your abdomen where you want to perform the injection. Remember, stay 2 finger widths away from your belly button and try to find a different spot every time you inject. With an alcohol prep pad, prep the area. Remove the cap of the pen. Place the pen and apply firm pressure. Unlock the pen and press the button with the same hand or another hand. The needle should inject the medication and automatically retract. At that point, you're done, and dispose of the pen in a sharps container.
For more information on other health topics, please visit the AAMG Health Education website. If you like this video, please give a like, and subscribe to our channel for more related content.